Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this cordless coffee machine from Parkside, the model PKMA 20LIA1. Bare unit only, battery and charger are not included. It is compatible with all batteries in the Parkside X20V Team series. Always have a mug of fresh coffee to hand even when there aren't any power sockets. I like that, thumbs up. With a 3 years warranty. Cups per battery charge 20V 4Ah is up to 4 cups 150ml each. Runtime per battery charge 20V again 300ml for the 2Ah, 600ml for the 4Ah and 1200ml for the 8Ah. Of course I will test it with the performance battery 4Ah and the 8Ah performance battery. Brewing time it is 6 minutes, water tank capacity 240ml, accessories included, we're gonna find out all about together. And let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Included we have the cup made from stainless steel. I like it. Plastic here. Parkside logo. And with a lid. Included we have the coffee pot holder, because this machine is suitable for ground coffee and coffee pots. You can use, if you want, the pots, it is your choice. I like more the ground coffee. Included, of course, there it is, filter holder. Just open that, and inside we have the filter. I like it, so small. Install that here and then insert the coffee, close and insert again at the machine. You can pull that from here, it has this handle. It has a robust housing with carry handle for easy transport, compact and portable. It is lightweight. At the back you can install the battery, 4Ah professional battery. Here we have the lid for the water tank. Just pull that. There it is, maximum 240ml. Safety valve. And again just press and it locks. And we have a spoon, red spoon, for the coffee. And at the front we have the LED indicator and the on-off button. Now, before using for the first time the coffee machine, I need to fill up with water the tank and use it 2 times without coffee. We have the water, the mug and the filter. And I need to wait. 6 minutes it is the brewing process. I will repeat that 2 times just to clean the machine, and then I will insert the coffee. And when the tank is empty, it will shut down automatically. 240ml the tank, 240ml and the stainless steel cup. Oh, it is so hot. Let's empty that. Fill up with water the tank. Coffee. You can have 20 grams of coffee. The cup. And we need the fresh battery. Wow, it is so hot. Wow. Definitely is drawing a huge amount of power. We can see fully charge it, fresh battery, and on. I can hear a noise, I don't know if it is from the battery or from the unit. Let's record that. I think because it's drawing too much power from the battery, maybe the noise it is from the BMS battery. Checking the battery LED indicator, now it is in orange. We need to wait 6 minutes. We can see some water is coming out from the filter. I will check if the cup it is fully, or because I have inserted too much coffee at the filter, I need less coffee maybe. I will check. So in a few seconds it will stop. Yep, correct. No water at the tank. Now let's see what is the damage. No, the cup is not yet full, it has some space. Oh, it is hot. Let's taste it. Now I get. The taste of the coffee, it depends from your choice. That coffee has a strong flavor, I like that. Now let's check and the filter. I think the coffee was too much. Let's clean that and try another one. Of course I need to test how long it will last, the 4 amp-hour battery, professional battery. Let's see. Orange, it is hot. It is drawing too much power. Filter holder and the filter, you can wash it without a problem. Everything it is plastic. Now let's insert less coffee. Okay, close that. The water again. I have inserted all the coffee at this transparent glass, so I will do the same just to see the brewing process. And on. And stop. Wow, it's so hot. Let's check the battery again. On red. Okay, we have 240 and 240 ml, total 480 ml. Let's try again. Coffee, that is perfect. That means I need to insert less coffee at the filter holder. Now I don't hear any noise from the machine or the battery. The battery, it is dead. Okay, that was all. We have only this amount of coffee, total I think it's about 500 ml. Now I need to wait. The battery it is too hot on red, and I think the thermostat, maybe from the coffee machine or from the battery, has prevented the battery to give more power to the coffee machine. So I need to wait to cool down the battery and the coffee machine and test again the same battery. Maybe it has more power. It is a 4 amp-hour professional battery. I was expecting more power. Back again with the same battery, red LED indicator. was on my refrigerator. Let's see if it has any power to give. Okay, was about 2 seconds. Here again this noise from the battery. The LED indicator is flashing. I don't think so it has any more power to give at the coffee machine. It will stop in a few seconds. Yep, that was all. Thank you for Amber House Professional for making this amount of coffee, about 500 ml. I will wait at that and see precise the amount. Now, let's test the huge 8 Amber Hours battery, fully charged. Start the process again with fresh coffee. (240 ml) water. Okay, less, it is 438 grams, the same, it is 438 ml. And on. Again the same sound from the battery. Okay, the battery is hot, orange. Third, let's try for a 4. Battery, again orange. Okay, nice. Okay, 4 cups with the 8 Amber Hours Professional. It is on red. Well, let's give it a try, another one. Wow, 5, okay. Let's see. Again, it is on red. Let's try another one. The noise from the battery has stopped. I think this is the end. Let's see. Okay, thank you 8 ampere hours. This is the end of your life, and it is so hot. I'm not going to put again this battery on my refrigerator. It is the same like the 4 ampere hours. It will cool down, but it will not give any power, for sure. I'm very happy overall. I think we are about 1.3 liters. Let's measure all these cups. Oh, 1.1 liters. Nice. So let's recap. 4 ampere hours professional, 430 ml, 2 cups. The 8 ampere hours, 1100 ml, 5 cups. I'm just wondering, the 2 ampere hours will be only 1 cup. Who knows? If you have the money to buy the 8 ampere hours for your tools, well, just do it. Something that bothers me is the noise from the battery. This coffee machine is drawing a huge amount of power because it needs hot water, obviously. I don't know how much safe it is for the battery, this huge demand. I don't know if it will last long enough. Maybe it will short the battery life, that kind of use. With other tools I don't hear any noise from the battery. Well, it is what it is. If you need a portable coffee machine and you want to use it with your Parkside batteries, well, just buy it. It makes a good coffee. With the 8 ampere hours you can give and to your colleagues. Until my next video, my viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye. And of course you can stop at any moment the coffee machine.